will probably be the easiest example I've ever done. But for some reason, people make silly mistakes with it. So I kind of wrote it a little strange. Subtract this polynomial away from this other one. So when you say subtract from, you have to kind of flip things around. So the first thing I'll do is get it in the right order, mathematically speaking. Subtract from it 3x squared minus 4x plus 2. Alright, probably the largest mistake that people make with these type things, notice I wrote them with parentheses up here. Normally they wouldn't be written with parentheses. But when you're dealing with operations between polynomials, it's best probably to contain them within these parentheses so you don't make the silly distribution mistake that a lot of people make. Without the parentheses, I've had people just write the polynomials without them. The only minus that affects this second part is the first term, and they forget to distribute it to the second two. So before you can subtract or add or anything, you have to get rid of parentheses. Technically, when we get rid of the first parentheses, we're distributing a positive 1 through. So it would be positive 1 times 2x squared is 2x squared, and so forth. Over here, you have to remember that in front of any number or variable by the identity property is a 1. So literally you're distributing a negative 1 across the second polynomial. So this will be a negative 1 times 3x squared is a negative 3x squared. A negative 1 times negative 4x is a positive 4x. And a negative 1 times a positive 2 is a negative 2. Once you get all the parentheses out of the way, the rest of it is the distributive property, combining like terms, getting things together. So here we have a 2x squared and a minus 3x squared. That'll leave us with a minus x squared. A minus 5x and a positive 4x. That will leave us with a negative 1x. And a negative 3 and a minus 2 would be a minus 5. And that's it. Done.